Rust cleaning videos are going insanely viral on Instagram right now, and almost nobody is doing them on YouTube or TikTok yet. That means there's a huge opportunity for you to jump in early and dominate this niche. One Instagram page created just 2 months ago has already exploded to over 20,000 followers, with one video hitting 1 million views and others pulling in hundreds of thousands. The concept is simple but addictive. A hand sprays a rusted metal object, the corrosion melts away, and the iron transforms into sparkling clean metal. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create these viral rust cleaning videos using completely free AI tools. So make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's be honest, getting views on YouTube can feel incredibly slow, especially in the beginning. You upload a video, refresh the analytics, and nothing happens. Maybe it barely reaches 100 views. This can be frustrating. You spend hours planning, creating, editing, and uploading, yet it feels like the algorithm doesn't even notice your effort. But here's something important to understand. It's not your fault. Every single day, millions of videos are uploaded to YouTube. With that level of competition, even high-quality content can get buried if the algorithm doesn't clearly understand who to show it to. That's why optimization matters. And that's exactly where vidIQ comes in. vidIQ is one of the most effective tools for YouTube SEO, helping the algorithm understand your content so it can actually recommend your videos to the right audience. To get started, open vidIQ using the link in the description and sign up. It only costs $1 to begin. After logging in, connect your YouTube channel so vidIQ can properly analyze your videos and channel data. Once inside the dashboard, click on Optimize, and you'll see a list of all your uploaded videos. Choose any video and click Generate Score. vidIQ will instantly evaluate your title and thumbnail. For example, my title scored 98, which is strong, while my thumbnail scored 58. Good, but with room for improvement. These scores clearly show what's holding your video back and what needs fixing. When you open the video, you'll see detailed insights on how to improve it. Focus on the details section, where your description and tags are. For the description, click Generate, and vidIQ will create multiple SEO-optimized description options designed to improve discoverability and help YouTube push your video further. Go through them and click on the one you prefer, then click Apply. For tags, vidIQ recommends high-ranking keywords related to your content. Select the best ones, click on Apply Changes, and your video becomes fully optimized for search and suggested traffic. Once that's done, your video is no longer invisible. It's positioned to be discovered, recommended, and scaled by the algorithm. Now that optimization is handled, let's move on and start creating our viral video. The first step is choosing the iron object you want to feature in your video and getting the image prompt for the iron object. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description below. Inside, you'll find a specially crafted AI prompt designed specifically for the viral rust removal niche. Copy the prompt, then open your preferred AI writing tool. For this tutorial, I'm using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt directly into the chat box and make one simple adjustment. Specify how many iron or metal objects you want the AI to generate. Then hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of rusted iron objects you can use for your satisfying cleaning video. These could be industrial tools, chains, valves, gears, all perfect for high-retention rust transformation content. If none of the suggestions feel viral enough, no problem. Simply ask ChatGPT to generate more options, and it will instantly provide a fresh list. Once you see an option you like, review the list carefully and select the object that you think will be the most visually satisfying. Now here's where it gets powerful. To generate your ultra-realistic image prompt, simply type the number of the object you selected into the chat box and hit enter. In just seconds, ChatGPT will generate a highly detailed, realistic image prompt for that specific rusted iron object. And it will also provide a matching video prompt that will later use to animate the image into a fully viral rust cleaning transformation video. Now that we have our high-quality AI image prompt ready, the next step is generating the actual rusted metal image. For this tutorial, we'll be using Flow AI. Start by heading over to Flow AI. Click on Create with Flow and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, then select New Project. This will open the AI creation interface where we can start generating our ultra-realistic images for free. Make sure to adjust your settings properly. Set the aspect ratio to portrait mode, which is perfect if you're creating YouTube Shorts. Next, choose how many outputs you want the AI to generate. I'll select 2 variations. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the detailed image prompt we generated earlier. Paste that prompt directly into Flow AI's prompt box. click Generate, and within seconds, Flow AI will create high-quality, ultra-realistic rusted metal images based exactly on your prompt. And as you can see, the results look amazing. Detailed rust textures, realistic lighting, and that satisfying industrial aesthetic that makes rust cleaning videos so addictive to watch. Take a moment to review both images carefully and download the one you prefer to your device. The next step is to turn our AI-generated rust image into a viral cleaning transformation video. Head back to Flow AI and switch over to the video section. Make sure your aspect ratio to portrait mode. Next, choose how many outputs you want. I'll select 2 again so we can compare results and pick the most realistic animation. Now import the rusted metal image we downloaded earlier. Once it's uploaded, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt we generated. Paste the video prompt into Flow AI and click Generate. The AI video generator will now begin animating your image into a satisfying rust cleaning transformation. In just a few moments, your AI-generated rust removal video will be ready. Preview the result. As you can see, it's so realistic and satisfying. If you're satisfied with the result, download it straight to your device. Keep in mind that Flow AI offers limited free video generations. If you run out of credits, you can also use Grok AI as an alternative free AI video generator. Simply click on Imagine inside Grok, switch to the video section, upload your image, paste your video prompt, and generate your animation, just like that. And that's how you create viral rust cleaning videos using free AI tools. Now take a look at others' videos I created. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section.